1 minute. You see the blinking lights moving? There they go, there they go.
That's them?
See them?
I'm gonna like film it and also not look at my phone.
Oh, they all lay on grass. They all lay on grass.
Chat, y'all see this?
What?
No, that's people take pictures. You finally get to see the beginning.
Who's controlling this? Oh, man.
There's more to go.
What? Kinda scary, man.
What is he doing?
No, me too. This is freaking angelic. It's so pretty.
At the beginning, it feels long.
It like doesn't
Good evening. Right here, underneath this starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
That's so cool. They're all just following each other.
You can fly! Come on, everybody, here we go!
You said that wrong.
Second star to the right, straight on to Lord.
Oh my god!
The ninth wonder of the universe! The wild-running flying elephant! Dumbo! Look! Look, Diggity! They're flying! They're flying! Finally get to the big town!
The wilderness must be explored.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
I feel like you could see this from space. Dante. What is that? It's Dante.
Goodbye, sir.
Dante, you are a real spirit guide!
It's a very good sign now.
Who's a good spirit guide? You are!
And then he turned into a very So he was dead the whole time. What's that look like for?
I don't know, Danny.
Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's our moon. It's a space station.
All wings reporting. Red 5 standing by. Coming in, wait. Watch that crossfire, boy. Watch it, you've got one on your tail.
I have you now.
Come in, primary ignition.
Use the force.
The force is strong with this one.
You're all clear, kid. Now let's forward section. Go home.
Oh my god!
The force will be with you. Always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
I didn't. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Oh shoot! Oh, that is Baymax.
Baymax, rings. Thrusters. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Star-Lord.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Dance off, bro.
Come on, Jack. Dance.
There are two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance and those who do not. I'm that powerful, y'all!
I'm gonna die surrounded by the biggest idiots in the galaxy. Did that look cool?
Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity. And beyond.
There's a place beyond the sky where your stories come alive. And with the leap of faith, you find your spirit guide. A whole new world where new beginnings never get old.
They like own the
You
world.
can light the way that seems impossible.
I can't tell what this is though.
If you feel this small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to a place where your dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go, the dreams that soar. Use the thunder in your heart to prepare you for the dark, because the path you take ends far from where you start. When it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that everything's in reach. You can change the world if you just believe. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. New adventures coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. So right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.